Hello everyone, today I will show you how to mute part of audio in DaVinci Resolve. And here's how it's done. I have an example video where I want to mute a section of the audio. The easiest way to do this is by cutting the audio at the desired points. You can do this quickly by pressing Ctrl plus B or Command plus B on Mac to make a cut. Once you have made the cut, simply grab the audio level line and drag it all the way down to mute the section. To create a smoother transition, you can add a simple fade out and fade in effect by adjusting the fade handles on the edges of the audio clip. Another method is to unlink the audio from the video. To do this, select the clip, then deselect the link option so that audio and video can be edited separately. Now you can drag the audio clip to a muted audio track. If you have multiple clips that need muting, you can move them all to this muted track for easy management. And that is everything you need to know about how to mute part of audio in DaVinci Resolve. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.